Your brain is literally self-destructing right now. It's called brain burnout. And according to recent data, 7 out of 10 Americans are experiencing some level of it right now. Have you ever felt your brain completely freeze, like someone flipped a switch off in your mind? That feeling of brain fog that prevents you from working, being creative, and even enjoying time with your family. No, that's not an exaggeration. Brain burnout causes real damage to your neurons through a process called chronic neuroinflammation. And the scariest part, you only notice it when you're already at rock bottom. Imagine your brain as a cell phone. Burnout isn't just low battery. It's when the entire operating system crashes and nothing works right anymore. The good news, it's just like a cell phone, your brain can be rebooted. This is the protocol I'm sharing with you today. 3 days. Just 3 days to reboot your brain and regain that mental clarity you may not even remember anymore. And pay special attention to day 2 of this protocol. That's where the real transformation happens, which 93% of my students describe as feeling their brain breathing again. Day 1 is dedicated to breaking the vicious cycle of information overload that's frying your neurons. Your brain wasn't designed to process the absurd amount of information we consume daily. We're overloaded. Studies show it's like consuming over 100,000 words a day. Therefore, on day 1, we'll implement a strategic information fast protocol divided into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Upon waking, you'll reserve the first 30 minutes of your day for a digital dopamine-free zone. No checking emails, social media, or news. Guided meditation or paper reading. This allows your dopamine receptors to recalibrate after months of being bombarded by artificial stimuli. Step 2. Implementation of the focus block system during the day. You will work in 90-minute intervals with your cell phone completely off and notifications blocked on your computer. Neuroscientists at the University of Illinois discovered that each digital interruption costs your brain 23 minutes to regain full focus. Imagine how many hours of productivity you recover by eliminating these interruptions. Step 3. Neural deceleration, nighttime protocol. 2 hours before bed, you will progressively reduce exposure to blue light and information flow. And I want you to comment below. Which of these 3 steps do you think will be the most challenging to implement in your routine? On the second day after detoxing your brain, we will focus on actively recharging your neurological reserves. The first strategy is what I call strategic neural nutrition. Your brain consumes 20% of your body's energy, even though it represents only 2% of your body weight. During burnout, your neurons are literally starving for the right nutrients. You will implement the 3-meal specific dietary protocol. Breakfast rich in choline and omega-3, eggs, sardines, or chia seeds. These nutrients are essential for the production of acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter of memory and learning. Lunch with slow-digesting proteins and fats, salmon, avocado, or nuts. This keeps your glucose levels stable, avoiding the peaks and dips that worsen burnout. Light dinner rich in tryptophan and magnesium, turkey, banana, or spinach. These nutrients are converted into serotonin and then melatonin, facilitating restorative sleep. The second strategy is the alternating mental states method. Your brain gets stuck in high alert mode, unable to relax. You will implement 5 15-minute sessions throughout the day, where you alternate between 5 minutes of focused attention on a single task, 5 minutes of guided mind wandering, 5 minutes of deep breathing. A University of Michigan study demonstrated that this deliberate alternation between mental states restores cognitive flexibility in record time. The third strategy is the neural movement protocol, 3 10-minute outdoor walks during the day. Scientists at Stanford University have proven that just 10 minutes of outdoor walking increases cerebral blood flow by 15%, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to hungry neurons. The third and final day, after your brain is already detoxified and recharged, will focus on reconnecting you with your purpose and reframing your work. Brain burnout isn't just tiredness. It's a deep disconnect between what you do and what gives you meaning. First, you will implement the values mapping exercise. You get a pen and paper, yes. Physical, not digital and. Answer: what are the 3 activities that give me the most sense of purpose? When was the last time I felt completely absorbed in something? What would I continue doing, even if I didn't need the money? This exercise activates the ventromedial prefrontal cortex, a brain region associated with purpose and meaning. Next, you will redesign your workspace using the positive neural space technique. Add a natural element, remove visual clutter, and include a symbolic object that represents your greater purpose. Productivity by 6%. Finally, you will implement the ultradian rhythm system, working in blocks of 52 minutes, followed by 17 minutes of complete rest. This rhythm is perfectly aligned with your natural energy cycles and prevents the depletion of neurotransmitter reserves. The main cause of brain burnout, by following this 3-day protocol, you will experience transformative results. On the first day, you will feel an immediate reduction in mental anxiety and a sense of space in your mind, as if you could finally breathe. On the second day, you will notice a significant increase in your mental energy and concentration ability, managing to focus for longer periods without feeling mentally exhausted. On the third day, you will experience what I call renewed clarity, that feeling of having purpose, direction, and the ability to make conscious choices instead of just reacting to chaos. One of my students, an executive at a multinational corporation, was on the verge of a mental breakdown after leading a 9-month project without a break. After this 3-day protocol, he told me, "It's as if someone took a heavy blanket off my mind. I can think clearly for the first time in months. Now, as promised, I will share the neural shielding technique to prevent relapses. Create what I call a neural reset ritual, a 20-minute practice that you implement every week, preferably on Friday or Sunday. In this ritual, you completely shut down digital devices. Find a space in nature or a quiet place. Conduct a structured review of the week. Define clear intentions for the next week. This weekly ritual works as preventive maintenance for your brain, preventing the gradual accumulation of neural stress that leads to burnout. They've evolved to deliver. With this 3-day protocol, you're not just treating the symptoms, but recalibrating your entire neural system for a new way of existing in this fast-paced world. My name is Anderson from the Instinto Superior channel, and my mission is to help you unlock your full mental potential. If this video helped you, leave a like. It makes all the difference in getting YouTube to recommend this content to more people who need this information. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. Each subscription isn't just a number to me. It's a commitment I make to continue bringing content that truly transforms your reality. The power is within you.